Hey guys, welcome back to our channel TechTube. Today I'm gonna show you guys how you can join Fiverr without notifying your contacts. So let's just get started. I'll be teaching you guys a very easy step, so don't worry about anything. If you have any queries, let me know in the comment section right away. So starting it, first go to your Fiverr and then press start now. And over here just type your phone number, your country code and your country, everything, and just press continue. And first you have to verify like this. Over here, this is the main step, guys. Over here you have to deny everything, like your call logs and everything, because if the call logs and everything will be detected, then the notification will directly go to your contacts. So now the contacts has not given not notified, and just have your name and everything like this, and then just press OK and skip it for a while and just deny everything. And that's pretty much, guys. That's how you do it. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So thank you for watching our video, guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel and also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. If you have any queries, just let me know in the comment section right away, and I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe, guys. Thank you for watching.